A lot of people in my community and in my comments section have been asking me how did I become a moderator for a Whop campaign. So firstly, I was the moderator for this agency, Clipped, right here. They are no longer doing any campaigns, but when they were doing them, I was basically the moderator for all their campaigns. This was like 10 plus campaigns. I can actually show you right here. All of these campaigns were from Clipped and I was a mod in all of them. And now this is exactly how I got the job basically. Let me scroll up. I messaged the owner of Clipped and basically I told them there's a bot there in their community. Then we went over why I think it's a bot there, how I can tell, blah blah blah. All this talk you can read, you can pause and read all the text, doesn't matter. And basically at one point he just offered me a job basically. That's what I would call it. He asked me if I consider managing campaigns and I said does it pay and then why not. He gave me his number. I messaged him, we hopped on a call, and basically that's it. I got the job. It was that simple. And now I'm gonna show you exactly how much I made as well. I'm not gonna hide anything. Right here, 103 plus 50 plus, what is it at, 300 plus another 100 plus 500. Yeah, this was a big campaign. This was like 15k budget, so I got paid 500 bucks from that. Then we got what, 140, 154.5 plus another 300 plus 77.25 plus 103 plus 206 plus 206 again plus 75 and then plus 150 lastly. So I made 2.3k basically from managing like 10 campaigns or so. All these payments are for individual campaigns, except this one was bugged, and the rest are from individual campaigns. And that's basically it. That's how I became a mod, and that's how you could also do it technically. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but you can give it a shot, and you can make decent money from it, I guess.